How to recover Monopoly Go account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up Monopoly Go app and after that click on the three lines at the top right inside corner, and over here you will be able to find the option of connect. Either you can connect to your Facebook. Earlier, if you have connected to Facebook, then you can connect it again using the same credentials that you used when you connected it first. And in case if you have always played using guest account, then you won't be able to recover your account. And in case if you have connected using other options, then just simply click on the option of settings, and over here you will be able to find the option of connect account. Just click on it, and after that you will be able to find there are three different options. Just choose any of the option that you used earlier in order to connect on Monopoly Go, and connect it again using the same details that you used earlier. This way you would be able to recover your account. In case if you are still not able to do it, then just simply cancel it all and then click on this option of customer service. Then just wait for it to load. Then just click on any of the article over here and scroll down. Over here you will be able to find the option of chat with us. Just click on it and after that wait for it to load. Then you would be connected to the customer support of Scooplay. Now over here explain them that you are not able to recover your Monopoly Go account. Tell them the details of your earlier account. This way they would be able to help you out and get your account back. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.